sitting here, dude. And I was right here, dude. And I was drinking my beer just like this. And I was taking a fat shit. I used up this whole roll of toilet paper. It's garbage. I had to go get a new one to finish. And by the time I stood up with my beer and I flushed the toilet, the shit just, I had to use this bottle of Heineken. Look, the shit stuck all over it because I was forcing the shit down the hole. But I don't know what's wrong with it because it still doesn't flush right. Actually, I think I fixed it, dude, because look. Look.
It's not there always.
It was fucked up a few minutes ago.
Well, seems to be working fine to me.
I don't know, is everything okay in here? It looks okay. The chain's not twisted or anything like that. Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah, it's good. No problem with it.
Cool. I fixed it.
You're the man.
You want a beer?
No, thanks. I'm fine. I'm
Take it when you get home.
All right.
Yeah, it's good beer. Thanks for coming out.
All right, no problem.
I'm glad I was able to fix it.
Yeah.
You drink a beer, you got all the problems solved right there. See? Some problems, you got bigger problems, and there's bigger beers. The bigger the beer, the smaller the problem. We seem to not have any problems with our butts being clogged.
What's the matter? Is this yours or something?
No. I'm serious, this is a good beer.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming out. This has a big motor, huh? 6.2 liters? Can you peel out? Burn rubber? I have a van like this too. You got it on the other side. You see that one van right there?